me not, O gentle Savior. Hear my humble cry, and while on others thou art called, oh, let do not pass me by. Savior, 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 hear my humble cry, while on others thou art called, oh, let do not pass me by. Savior, 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 hear my humble cry, while on others thou art called, oh, let do not pass me by. Let me at thy throne of mercy, oh, find a sweet relief, kneeling there in deep contrition, help my unbelief. Savior, 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 hear my humble, oh, cry, and while on others thou art called, oh, let do not pass me by. Trusting only in thy merit, would I seek thy face, and heal my wounded, broken spirit. Save me by thy grace, oh, Savior, 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 hear my humble cry, and while on others thou art called, oh, let do not pass me